What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to review the 20 CRM software which is open source, and it is been ranked number 1 in the market, and we're gonna review about it and see what it actually does and how it works. So 20 CRM is a sleek and modern solution tailored for the business that prioritize efficiency and customizations. Its intuitive interface and robust features such as pipeline tracking, obviously, and automation and analytics cater well to sales and customers relationship and management. The platform excels in providing real-time insights and seamless integration with third-party tools. And however, while it shines in flexibility, the learning comes curves for the advanced feature might challenge non-technical users because it is based on a very high-end sort of features that only a technical person can actually get to know better about it. The pricing is competitive, but may feel steep for smaller businesses with limited needs. As you guys can see that it's $9 per user per month, uh, so it is not very much small business oriented. So last but not the least is about overall. The 20 CRM is a high-end tool that delivers value for growing and establishing enterprises, provided you are ready to invest in its potential. What you're guys waiting for, you guys can simply hit 20 CRM by using the link in the description below. I hope you guys find this video helpful.